morning everyone, and welcome to our Friday assembly. Now I've got lots of certificates here and I'm going to give them out around in the classrooms. And firstly, well done to preschool. It's Aisha in preschool for good concentration and coordination in problem solving with the Marble Bell Run. Well done. And up to reception, well done to James for using his finger to point to each word when he's reading. Well done, James. For year one, well done to Amelie for accepting every single challenge in remote learning. Well done. And up to year two, well done to Darcy for persevering in maths to understand the concept of division. Well done to Darcy. And also George for his very hard work in maths lessons on division. Well done to George. And Mrs Briggs has awarded her Star of the Week certificate to all of Year 3 for their excellent attitude to online learning. They have all joined in enthusiastically and have completed all the work set. Well done, Year 3. And up to Year 4, well done to Alyssa for amazing maths work during lockdown, and also to Sadie for her fabulous work and always being a superstar. Well done to Sadie as well. And up to Year 5, well done to Emily for consistency in writing. You work really hard and always send photos of your learning. And also Catherine for amazing maths work on decimals, every single extension sheet completed. And also Thea for excellent maths work on decimals. You have worked very hard, Thea. You are making fabulous progress. Well done. And finally, Year 6, well done to Anna for winning the Blackpool Seasiders art competition with her amazing John Nieto-inspired wolf painting. Well done to Anna. And also Darcy for an exceptional research piece on Hitler's rise to power. Well done, Darcy. Now, this week we have celebrated World Book Day, and I just wanted to report on Mr. Rice's 3 challenges. The first one, he asked us to reach 1 million words, and we've already done that by Wednesday, so we're nearly up to 2 million words. His second challenge of writing a favourite story as a poem, those are coming in, keep those coming in, well done. And the third one is your diorama of a favourite part of your book. So I'd love to see those on Monday. Now, for the Thinking Aloud section this week, I want to celebrate the fantastic effort that you've all made to dress up for our World Book Day.
AKS is the best. We always try hard to pass the test. AKS is the best. And there's music and sport and we always progress. AKS is the best. We always try hard to smartly dress. AKS is the best. The teachers are guiding us all to success. We're learning and building and shaping our future. Keep trying to learn something new every day. Our pencils are sharpened, a smile on our face. Come join us, we're ready to go. AKS is so great. We never forget to sit up straight. AKS is so great. There's drama, there's English, we love to create. AKS is so great. We never forget to help a mate. AKS is so great. The food is so good, we've got lots on our plate. We're learning and building and shaping our future. Keep trying to learn something new every day. Our pencils are sharpened, a smile on our face. Come join us, we're ready to go. I wanna be a teacher.
And now I would like to announce the winners of our Prep School Lockdown House Challenge. We have Esme and Luca, who got a staggering 68 points each. They completed all the challenges and each gained 18 bonus points. Well done to you both, and there's a little prize coming to you both. Well done. And as I said, it was a house challenge. So in 4th place, we had Rufford with 150 points. In 3rd place, we had Gawthorpe with 188 points. In 2nd place, we had Leighton with 192 points, and the winners are Samlesbury. Well done to Samlesbury with a total of 227 points. Well done. So that's it for this week's assembly. I cannot wait to see all of you back in school on Monday. Thank you.